Alright, Kevon's Farm update. Look at that. I think it's like August 17th or something. There we go. We got the grapes chilling up top. Butternut squash climbing to the top. Alright. There we go. Kevon's Farm. Alright, we got cantaloupe. It's coming over the top. Right there. Meeting the butternut. Go for it. Looks like we got more melons right here. Over the top. Down the path a little further. Oh, we got some cucumber. Over the top. Look at that. Along the trellis. Into the Garden of Eden. If you look close, you can see the cucumbers. Oh, look at that right there. Alright, look at that right there. Alright. Sunflowers, check them out. Fully bloomed. We got some grapes on the left again. Potatoes chilling at the bottom. There you go. Pull those out too. What do we got here? We got the Milky Way of rocks. The Rocky Way. Some more melons over the top, yeah. Some new lanterns. My compass, I didn't finish yet. And also some more melons. Look at this. Where are they? Let's search for a melon. There's one right there. I see you right there. Oh, there's another one right there. Awesome. Awesome. Alright. The unfinished path right here. Some grapes chilling. Pick those later on. Alright. Garden path.